Hey guys, what's up? It's Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a little bit of an update. I just would like to thank those who participated in the most recent Q&A series we had, parts 2 and 3 of Kicking Off 2020 along Tidewater. I have got to say those were a really good series to kick off the new year. I've got to say the comments have been coming through on the live chat, and I got to say I was very impressed with the chatter, and I hope all of you will continue to be a part of those premiere live chats. If you have not looked at parts 2 and 3, which were the most recent, please definitely take a look at those because those are really worth looking at, guys. I caught a lot of different stuff in that set. I was really glad to get a little something different for some of these trains. A lot of coal trains are featured, guys. A lot of coal trains, a lot of hopper trains. So, and there's some intermodals in there, but a lot of coal and hopper trains. So you're seeing a lot of those right now on Norfolk Southern. Um, Also, the February Q&A prompt is out. I've already got some questions on it, so I want to thank those who have already participated. If you have not, I will definitely be slapping the video link here on the end screen, where you guys can just click that video where you can subscribe to put in your questions. I will also do the same for parts 2 and 3 of Kicking Off 2020 along Tidewater Rails. Um, just a quick heads up for February for the ones who have not yet submitted questions. There are um, some rule changes in February's Q&A, so please take a look at that before you ask any questions. For the ones who have already asked, thank you for asking the questions so far. Please keep them coming in, guys. So anyway, that is all for now. So remember, if you like the videos that I have, please remember to give them a thumbs up and to leave a comment below. And also tap the notification bell so you guys will stay updated on the most recent videos. And also, please remember to hit the subscribe button so you can subscribe to my channel and look at all the content that is out there for me. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I thank you guys for watching. Peace out.